Kyzatrex 200 mg Capsule Androgens / Anabolic Steroids is used by men who have low or no testosterone due to certain medical conditions, such as hypogonadism. Testosterone belongs to a class of drugs known as androgens. It helps the body to develop and maintain male sexual characteristics, masculinity, such as a deep voice and body hair. It also helps to maintain muscle and prevent bone loss, and is needed for natural sexual ability/desire. This medication should not be used in women. The recommended daily dosage of Kyzatrex 200 mg Capsule Androgens / Anabolic Steroids varies depending on individual needs and response to the treatment. It is best to take this medication at the same time each day to maintain a consistent level in your body. It is important to follow the instructions of your healthcare provider and not to exceed the prescribed dosage. Always consult your doctor for the best timing to take this medication and to discuss any concerns or questions you may have. Before taking Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule, make sure to read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth with food as directed by your doctor, typically twice daily. Some brands should be swallowed whole for the best effect. The dosage is based on your medical condition, lab tests, and response to treatment. It's important to use this medication regularly in order to get the most benefit from it. Take it at the same times each day to help you remember. Misuse or abuse of this medication can cause serious side effects such as heart disease, stroke, liver disease, mental/mood problems, abnormal drug-seeking behavior, or improper bone growth in adolescence. Do not increase your dose or use this drug more often or for longer than prescribed. If misused or abused, you may experience withdrawal symptoms when you suddenly stop using the drug. If your condition does not improve or gets worse, make sure to contact your doctor. Some common side effects of Kyzatrex 200 mg Capsule Androgens / Anabolic Steroids include nausea, vomiting, headache, skin color changes, changes in sexual interest, oily skin, hair loss, and acne. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. However, if you experience any serious side effects such as mental/mood changes, signs of liver disease, unusual tiredness, trouble urinating, or prolonged erections, contact your doctor right away. Seek medical help immediately if you experience very serious side effects such as shortness of breath, chest pain, sudden dizziness, or a severe allergic reaction. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. Taking Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule, which is an androgen/anabolic steroid, can potentially raise your blood pressure. This increase in blood pressure can elevate your risk of experiencing serious heart and blood vessel issues, such as heart attack or stroke, which could even be fatal. If you already have heart disease or other conditions that heighten your risk, such as high blood pressure, you may be at an even greater risk. Therefore, it's important to regularly check your blood pressure and inform your doctor if the results are high. Your doctor may need to prescribe medication to manage your blood pressure, or may even need to adjust or discontinue your use of this medication. It's crucial to have a conversation with your doctor about the potential risks and benefits of taking testosterone. Additionally, it's important to know the optimal daily dosage and the best time to take this medication. Before starting Kyzatrex 200 mg Capsule Androgens / Anabolic Steroids, it's important to discuss any allergies with your doctor or pharmacist. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's also vital to share your medical history, especially if you have a history of cancer, blood clots, heart disease, stroke, liver or kidney problems, high cholesterol or blood pressure, enlarged prostate, breathing problems, or diabetes. If you have diabetes, Kyzatrex 200 mg Capsule Androgens / Anabolic Steroids may lower your blood sugar, so it's important to monitor your blood sugar regularly and inform your doctor if you experience symptoms of low blood sugar. Before undergoing any surgical procedures, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and herbal products you use. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, especially with prostate and liver problems and swelling of the arms and legs. For children, this medication may affect bone growth, so it's important to monitor their height periodically. Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule androgens / anabolic steroids can also affect fertility in males and should not be used by women, especially during pregnancy or breastfeeding, as it may harm an unborn or breastfeeding baby. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule, as they can affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. This is not a complete list of all possible drug interactions, so it's crucial to keep a record of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medications without your doctor's approval. Certain products, such as blood thinners like warfarin, may interact with Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule. Additionally, this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, including thyroid function tests, which could potentially lead to false test results. It's important to communicate with lab personnel and inform all of your doctors that you are using this medication. If you or someone you know has taken too much Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule androgens / anabolic steroids and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It is important not to share this medication with others as it is against the law. It is also important to keep all medical and lab appointments, as your doctor may need to conduct tests such as blood pressure, testosterone levels, blood counts, liver function, cholesterol levels, and PSA while you are taking this medication. These tests will help monitor your health and ensure that the medication is working effectively for you. If you happen to forget to take a dose of Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule, take it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Avoid taking a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Kyzatrex 200 mg capsule androgens / anabolic steroids at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Avoid storing in the bathroom and make sure to keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding the medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.